Good afternoon, my friends. If you are watching my video for the first time, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Justin. I am living and working in Djibouti. I am currently learning Somali, and I would like to share with you how I learned Somali. In this lesson, I will start by introducing one book called Manual de Conversation, Somali Français, written by Véronique Carton-Debet. You can find this book in Djibouti library or in Djibouti bookstore. I find this book, it is very interesting, but it is difficult to learn by oneself. The grammar book is not so interesting for anybody. First, we will begin with the article. The Somali language, the article is created by placing one suffix after the noun. The suffix is ka and ta. Ka and ta, or ku and tu. Ka is for the masculine and ta is for the feminine. Nin is a man. Ninku is the man as subject. Naag is one woman and naagtu is the woman. As complement, ninka, the man, and naagta, the woman. In past tense, we say ninkii, naag, naagtii. Also, there are some sound change in ka and ta. When it is placed after different vowels, it can become ha or da. We will learn about it in the future lesson. Okay, so much for today. Bye bye.